Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. The information will be in the description box below. And I also recently published my planner, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. It comes in a dated and undated version. Information about how to purchase the planner on Amazon will also be in the description box below. So on today's video, I'm going to give you 10 easy and very affordable ways to have a smart home. So smart home technology is pretty much almost a must nowadays. And we're going smart with almost everything we have. So that's what made me decide to, hey, share this information with you. So the very first thing is a smart lights. So I know you're thinking smart lights. So yes, smart lights and smart outlets. So these are things that you can actually set to come on at a certain time or even turn off, or it can be by command, by voice command. So if you have a device, I'm not going to say her name because I have plenty of them in here and I forgot to to turn them off or unplug them. So we're going to call her Alicia, but her actual name is Alexa. So let's say you have one of those. You can also have Google devices. I mean, there's several different devices that you can use to control your devices. So you can have Alicia turn on your lights at a certain time. You can control it by voice or command or even on your phone through an app. So if you know you want to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, you can have it set to turn on at 6 o'clock in the morning or set to turn off when you leave your house at, let's say, 7 o'clock to go to work. You can make sure that all the lights are off because you have it set. Or when you come into a room, you can say, hey, Alicia, turn on the lights, or hey, Alicia, do whatever. So it works with the lights and also outlets. So that's very interesting. So say, for example, you have a coffee pot. You can automatically set it to turn on or turn off, or a lamp or whatever. You can have it to turn off or on at a certain time. So that was the first way, lights and outlets. Another option could be your thermostat. So yes, there are so many different options for the thermostat. Me, I control mine with my phone. I don't even use the thermostat, like the physical thermostat. I do everything on my phone. And you can set it for timers. So let's say, for example, if everyone is out of the house by 8 o'clock in the morning, you may not want to have your house being cooled or heated at that time. But if the first person comes home at 3 o'clock, maybe at 2:30 or 2 o'clock, you'll have it starting to cool or heat your home to the appropriate temperature you want. So that means from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, you're not wasting electricity or energy. So that's another way. Another thing is your security camera. Yes, and we're at an age right now where basically anything that happens in someone's home is seen. You know, you can walk down the street or in your driveway or anything, and you have like cameras that are all over, whether you have them set for a time or for location. One thing about certain cameras, depends on how sensitive they are, they'll pick up things like butterflies, or if you have a tree that has shade and then the shade moves because of the direction of the sun, that may trigger an alert. So if you're going to go that route, just make sure that you control the sensitivity of your selections. Another thing can be like your robot. You know, hey, I don't have a robot yet, but I'm kind of thinking about getting one. I just haven't did my research to find the right one. And that could be an upcoming video of how to purchase your own smart robot. But yes, those robot vacuum cleaners, they clean hardwood floors, they can mop your floors, they can vacuum your floors, and you can have it set up to where it does it when you're not home. Or you can have it mop in the middle of the night, so when you wake up, it's clean. So that's just another option. Another option is your media and streaming devices. So you can use your various apps or even on your television to play music, movies, any type of entertainment at any given time that you want. Once again, you can control it on your app, your smartphone, or even by voice command. Another way to automate your home is garage door openers. Yes, you can use an automation for your garage door openers. If you are like many people and you may forget to close it, you can have it set up to where it closes at a certain time every night if you forget. Hopefully you don't, but it's nice to have that backup plan. And then maybe it will send you an alert to let you know, hey, your garage door has been open for 30 minutes, and you typically don't leave it open that often, so, or that long, so it can send you an alert. So this is another way that you can automize your home or make it smart. Washers and dryers. So yes, you can have a smart washer and dryer where it can control everything. So say for example, you want to wash your clothes, you put your clothes in the washing machine before you go to work, but you don't want it to run at 8 o'clock in the morning and you're not going to get home till 3. You don't want it to just sit damp that long. So you can put it in the washing machine and tell it to start at maybe 2 o'clock. That way when you're home at 3 o'clock, you can put it in your dryer. So that's another way to automate your home. Another way to automate your home or to make it a smart home is to have door locks. So in my home, we are basically a keyless home. So it does come with like a little automated key, but basically we all use our thumbprints. Yes, we use our thumbprints to get into our home. If you have a lot of things in your hand, like groceries, a baby, anything like that, use your thumbprint and go on in. You don't have to worry about fumbling with the key. So I do love that. Now there is an option to where you can use your key code in case something happens. I don't know what happens to your fingerprint, but if you want to use the key code, you can. But those smart locks are wonderful. I love them. And you can also have it set it to where you have to, it will automatically lock after a certain period of time. So I always tell people, like if you're in my home, if you walk out the door, you may not come back. So if you're like doing some type of service, fixing a garbage disposal or something, and you leave, I says keep the door open or keep it cracked because you're not going to be able to come in. So that's one thing that I love about this. You don't have to worry about not or forgetting to lock your door because it automatically locks it. Okay, well that is it. Those are my 10 easy ways to automate your home and make it a smart home. Personally, I've been using automation for a while. I use my Alexa app and my Alexa device, and I tell her to do everything from turning on lights, turning on Christmas lights, asking her about delivery packages and all of that stuff. I basically have one of these devices in every room in my house. And no, I'm not worried about being spied on. They have various options. You can do not disturb. They have cameras. You can close the cameras. So the ones that are in our bathroom, we automatically, have the little sliding thing so no one can see when we're in a shower, things like that. But I have no complaints about Alexa. And basically, Big Brother is watching and listening anyway. They know everything they know what you're thinking about. You can think about some purple rain boots and all of a sudden you're going to get an ad about some new place that sells purple rain boots. So it's all out there, but that's a whole other video. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some suggestions that you feel free that you may use. And if you use smart technology on any of your things, definitely put them in the comment section below if I missed some. But all you basically need is your internet access. You have to have the Wi-Fi, and bam, you can automate your home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.